Hello everyone, this is Shalini. I'm here to introduce myself in front of you. Welcome to my brand new channel, and I'm new at YouTube and it is my first video. Hope you support me. Please like, subscribe my channel, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get upcoming videos. So in this video I will talk about how to improve our communication skills, which is very important. So first of all, we will focus on the practice make you perfect. You know very well, it is said that practice make perfect. Okay, when you practice you will feel that you are improving in particular field. Okay, practice is the key of the door of the success. Practice make you perfect. Practice actually get you whatever you want to be in that particular field. It will help you to achieve your goal. So it is very important. Now actually I heard from some of the people, they says, ma'am, I am unable to do practice because they don't get such atmosphere what they want actually to do a practice. Definitely, if you don't have that atmosphere, you cannot do the practice. So for the practice we need other peoples, we need one more person, one more member who can talk with you. This is most important. But I will give you that solution of the problem, that how can you do communication, how can you do practice without taking help of any other one. I will tell you about. Actually, first of all, what you have to do, if you want to do a practice, if you want to be a good communicator, just do one thing. All houses mirror is there. You have to go in front of the mirror and then just talk to yourself. You don't need of any other one to talk. You are enough for yourself. You just go in front of the mirror and talk to yourself, question yourself, give answer yourself. So in this way you can improve. This is the way of practice. If there is no one in your family who can talk with you in English, you can talk to yourself. In this way you can improve. So practice make a perfect. As I told you earlier, if you do a practice, the more practice you do, the more improve you. Okay, so that is why keep practicing. So this is the most important thing to be a good communicator. If you want to be, first of all, you have to do practice at most. Okay, second most important thing I want to share with you, that is you feel hesitate. The people feel hesitate, they feel nervous when they go to express themselves, when they go to communicate with others, because they think like, if I will speak wrong, if I speak any wrong thing, then what will happen? The people, yeah, we can say the listener who's listening to you, he will laugh at you. This is the mentality of the people. They think like that, and definitely you also think like that. If I speak a wrong, then the person who's listening to you, they will laugh at you. That people will laugh at you. Then what will you do? That time actually they are not laughing at you. Actually they are just showing their character. Okay, even he doesn't know how to reply you, how to answer you, because he is not able to speak English as good as you are speaking. So that's why he is laughing at you. So don't take it like he's laughing at you, so means you are making a mistake, you should not speak. Don't stop yourself because of this thing. Please, if someone is laughing at you, let him laugh. It's just his work, let him do his work. But you just do your work, keep practicing, keep speaking. Here I am gonna share with you an example of a small kid, a girl child or boy child, you know very well about. When a small kid starts speak, when they begin to speak, you may have seen that thing, they make a mistake. They are not able to speak with full of clarity. The child boy or child girl, when they speak, they never speak with full of clarity. They make a mistake. And that time their parents, their relatives, actually the parents of the child, they laugh at him or her. So what do you think? The child stops speaking? No, not at all. The child, he keeps speaking. Again and again he tries to speak. And finally at that time he will be able to speak. Finally at the particular moment he will speak with full of clarity. So in that way, just treat yourself as a child. The child can improve, why can't you? The child make mistake, in the same way you make a mistake. So please improve yourself while speaking. When you make a mistake, you can improve. But when you think that I will speak correctly, I don't want to make a mistake, you cannot learn and you cannot speak ever in your life. First, when you make mistake, you improve, and finally you will be perfect and you will be a good communicator. Okay, and you have to be a good listener for that. Okay, small child first spot how he start speaking his native language. Could you please tell me? The child boy, child girl, how start speak native language. First, he or she listen what was going around him or her. His parents, her parents, his relatives, whatever they are speaking around him or her, they listen and then they repeat it. Okay, they speak that thing again and again. They try to speak. So first they speak while just they are not able to speak clearly. They speak haltingly. But after some time, you will find the child is able to speak with full of clarity, speaking, and that time he's a perfect now. While following the 5 steps, you can be a good communicator, and these 5 steps are: first is listening, speaking, reading, writing, watching. While following these 5 steps, you can be a good communicator. I'm telling you, I assure you. So just follow the 5 steps, and in the next video, I will share with you that how you have to follow these 5 steps and how these 5 steps work in your life, in your communication skill. I will tell you. So just follow me in this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.